Want to save a Waze location link to someone so they can quickly open the exact place? In this video, I'll show you how to send a Waze location link step by step. First, open the Waze app on your phone and search for the location you want to share. Select the correct place from the search results and check that the location is accurate. Next, tap the share button. Waze will open your phone sharing options, where you can choose the app you want to use such as WhatsApp, Messenger, or Messages. Select your preferred app and choose the person you want to send the location to. Then tap send. The recipient can open the shared Waze link and view the location in Waze or through their available navigation options. You can also copy the link and paste it into any messaging app or social media platform. And that's how to send a Waze location link. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.